Hi guys, thanks for joining me in my Kudos Kitchen today, where we're going to be making these amazing banana cupcakes with, get this, banana caramel buttercream frosting. Woohoo! Don't they look good? And wait till you see this, I have a surprise for you. Ready? Pretty fancy, don't you think? Yeah. About this time last year, we were throwing a baby shower for our firstborn granddaughter, for my daughter-in-law. She's having our first granddaughter. So we were to make the centerpieces. So I'll show you what this is, this little turntable, in case you want to order one for yourself, or a bunch like we did. I got these from Amazon, but yeah, aren't these fun? They can be charged, or you can run them off batteries, and then you can make them go either left or right, faster or slow. So kind of fun for whatever you maybe need to have spin around. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you these really delicious cupcakes, and I'm not going to eat one. Do a taste test for you right now because, oh, it's still spinning, because we're having guests over for dinner, and these cupcakes are for them. So not all of them. I get one and Mark gets one. Anyway, so I hope you will stick around and watch this video and then make the cupcakes, because I think you're really gonna like them. I made a little cake last night out of the leftover batter and then ate it last night, and it was really good. Stick around, we'll make the recipe. To make the cupcake portion of this recipe, first you need to mash 3 overripe bananas in a small bowl. Next, you'll need to add some Greek yogurt. You can also use sour cream if you like. 2 large eggs and some vanilla extract. You want to mix all this together very well and then set it aside for just a little bit. Now add 8 tablespoons of softened butter, a half a cup of white sugar, and a half a cup of brown sugar into a large bowl and beat well to combine. Next, add the mashed banana mixture into the bowl with the butter and sugar. Combine those ingredients well before adding the dry ingredients. Sift 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the cupcake batter bowl. After sifting in those ingredients, add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and stir the batter well by hand until the flour is no longer visible. Now scoop the cupcake batter into the cupcake liners and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While they're cooling, you can make the banana caramel buttercream frosting. In a large bowl, blend 1 overripe banana with 12 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a light pinch of salt, and a half a cup of softened caramel sauce. Yum! Now sift 6 cups of confectioner's sugar and slowly blend that into the banana buttercream caramel frosting. This will take a little time, but it is so worth it. And now you can pipe the frosting onto the cooled cupcakes. I used a plastic bag fitted with a star tip, and I piped the cupcakes to make them look as pretty as possible. And then I garnish with a little bit of sprinkles, but you can garnish however you like. So hopefully you stuck around and watched the entire video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, or if it wasn't really your thing, let me know why. Critique nicely. But yeah, if we would appreciate you maybe subscribing and liking and all the things, because we really do enjoy making videos for you. So that's it for now. Please come back. We post new videos twice a week, mostly Fridays and Mondays. So please come back, and we'll see you again very soon. Until we eat again, hope you have a delicious day. Bye.